vintage installation called Sweet Dreams by Spinifex, but there is no audio to it, so the audio will just come from the traffic, like that air ambulance that flew just over us. So I'll just have to give some commentary, like cookies. Some baked goods rolling down in a spiral, and where does it go to? Cupcakes. The cookies become cupcakes. Okay, and the cookies roll away. Oh, I do like that. It's just a shame there is no audio. You would have thought that they'd include audio for this particular installation. So you may hear in the background trains crossing the bridge. And this is the clockwork.
Yeah, all her little sister. Yeah.
And there's ice creams. Ice cream there. Ice cream swirling. I do like that little mechanical car there. This is the popcorn. Sure, this is the popcorn. Yeah, this is the popcorn.
This is that cultural quality.
Okay, the popcorn machine's broken now. Alright, too much popcorn. Oh, and then some macarons. Mmm, yummy. I do like macarons. Okay, I'm getting hungry because of this installation, which is not good. With wafers and cookies. This is quite a tower of ice cream, wafers, macarons, lollies, marshmallows on top, sprinkles, cookies. And how does it end? How does this installation end? Oh, with lollies. There's no audio for this installation.
No audio.
No. Okay, thank you. These are lollies. Some more lollies here. Lollies coming out. Oh yes, more lollies. And it's a truck this time that picks up the lollies. It's got 3 wheels though. And that truck is going up that mountain of sweets. And that's it. I think that's the start of the. Yeah, I think that's the start of the installation. It says Vivid Sweet Dreams again. I'll just double check. And these are people streaming from Barangaroo. Oh, it's a gummy bear. Oh, I don't think I saw the gummy bears yet. There's the gummy bear. Oh, the gummy bear turns itself on. these are the ingredients, I suppose. And I think that's a start with the cookies. So it's just around a 5-minute installation for this one. Oh, it's just a shame they have no audio. But look, the graphics are fair enough. And I think I'll end it soon. Let me see if it drops down. Dropping down the tears. And that's it. Sweet Dreams by Spinifex.